Good morning. This is Go Mama. How is everybody doing this morning? We are under a blizzard advisory today. Schools are closed. I just want to document for y'all what happens here at our house when we have situations like this. So I'll be doing this. Today is February 27th. So I'll be doing like a little documentary of the snow that we get today. Okay, guys? Okay, so here we are. It's coming down pretty steady here today. This morning. Pretty steady. We have about a foot of accumulation so far. It's 6 o'clock here in the morning. All right? Winds are supposed to gust up to 55 miles an hour. No schools, obviously. And we will be digging out later. So I will be going down to the barn. Oh, my chicken coop is open. Oh boy. All right. So I gotta go. If you see my door open on the chicken coop door must have flung open last night. All right, guys, I gotta go. So it's now about 11 a.m. and the wind is kicking up a little bit, and it's very, very chilly out, but you can see the trees going back and forth and swaying in the breeze. And there's the gusts of wind. It is calmed down right now, but the gusts of wind are pretty bad. You watch the treetops are going. What it does is it swirls around in here. Here comes another gust of wind. So the wind is picking up. Here comes another gust of wind. Listen to the roar. Sounds like a train coming, guys. Here it goes. Watch the trees. It is still snowing out. Can hardly see the neighbors. The gusts have calmed down just a little bit, but it's wet snow. It's about up to my knees right now. It is 5 o'clock. Still snowing. It feels like it's like 7. Can see the snow on the roof of the barn. Y'all can see all the snow blowing and drifting. Up on our porch. Looks a lot calmer. The snow is still coming down. It's not supposed to end until tomorrow. So we've got a few more inches of snow. As you can see, the barn roof. That is actually how much snow we have gotten, plus the drifting snow that has blown off of it. So, okay, stay tuned. It is still snowing very lightly. You can hear the snow. I'm crunching on the snow. But it's really, really pretty. It is 7 a.m., February 28th, 29th here. There's a lot of drifts. You can see the snow drifts. Let's see how the trees are all filled with snow. It's supposed to clear up today. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what our snow is like here. A lot of fun, but a lot of work too. Hey guys, this is Go Mama. Subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. We'll talk soon. Okay, bye.